Poaching eggs only takes a couple of minutes, but you need to be patient and a little bit gentle with the process. Hey everyone, welcome again to Oliver Kitchen. If you love to learn easy and delicious recipes, please subscribe and stay tuned. There are a lot of ways to poach eggs, and today, we will share one of the easiest ways to make perfectly poached eggs. Let's begin. Take 2 eggs, separate the yolks. Add cooking oil to a pan, spread well. Add the egg white and spread evenly. Remember the heat should be low. Cook until the egg white turns like this. It would take 20 to 30 seconds. Now add the yolk in the middle, add salt, and carefully fold the white portion like this. Now flip and cook for another 20 to 30 seconds. The yolk should be jiggly like this, but if you like runny yolk, just cook less. Try it and subscribe for easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.